So with the FOIL method, you remember it from last year, multiplying out the brackets, a binomial multiplied by a binomial. Remember binomial, it means two terms. Bi, like bicycle, it's got two wheels. So a binomial is two terms multiplied by a binomial, two terms. Okay? So we call it the FOIL. The FOIL method is the F of FOIL is for first. So you take the first term in the first bracket and you multiply by the first term in the second bracket. So when you multiply the first one with the first one, okay, what does that give you? X times x, x to the power 2. Then you multiply the first term, or then you can say, let's first look at the outer now. O is for outer. The outer terms is the first term with the last term. They're on the outside. So O or FOIL is for outer terms, the outside ones. Okay? The x is on the outside, the 5 is on the outside. So the x times the 5, x times 5 is 5x. So we're going to say it's plus 5x. Then we go to the inner. I is for inner. The inner ones are the ones on the inside. It's the 2 and the x. So then you multiply the 2 with the x. And then 2 times x gives you 2x plus 2x. And the last one is L. L is for last. The last term here is 2. The last term here is 5. So the 2 times the 5 are the two last ones. So when you multiply the 2 with the 5, 2 times 5 is 10. And then all you do after that is you just simplify. 5x plus 2x gives you 7x. So then you just add them. So it's x to the power 2 plus 7x plus 10. And that is how you use the FOIL method. Multiply them out and simplify. Okay.